Hello pong muli. Throat and neck sign and symptoms, sore throat number 2. Invasion of wind heat. Acute sore throat, itchy throat, shivers, fever, slight sweating, headache, tongue red on the sides or front, thin white coating, and the pulse is floating and rapid. So acupuncture, large intestine 4, triple bladder 5, bladder 12, lung 7, lung 11, and large intestine 11. Lung and kidney deficiency with empty heat. Chronic throat, dry and red throat, dry cough, dizziness, tinnitus, night sweating, 5 palm heat, dry throat at night, red tongue without coating, floating empty and rapid pulse. So acupuncture, lung 7, kidney 6, kidney 3, ran 4, kidney 10, spleen 6, large intestine 11, lung 9, lung 10, ran 12. Chronic sore throat, swollen throat with purulent spots, a feeling of fullness and pain of the epigastrium, a feeling of heaviness, facial pain, stuffed nose, or thick sticky nasal discharge, thirst without desire to drink, nausea, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, a sticky taste, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid pulse. Stomach fire, sore throat with severe pain, swollen and red throat, intense thirst with desire to drink, cold liquids, burning epigastric pain, menstrual restlessness, dry mouth, mental restlessness, dry mouth, mouth ulcers, bleeding, gums, dry stool, sour regurgitation, foul breath, nausea, vomiting soon after eating, a feeling of heat, tongue red with a thick, dry dark yellow coating, deep, full, rapid pulse. Deficiency of Qi and Yin. Chronic sore throat, slight pain, often aggravated by exertion, shortness of breath, tiredness, weak voice, dry cough, pale tongue, weak pulse. Qi stagnation. Chronic sore throat that comes and goes according to the emotional stage, a feeling of a lump in the throat, with a feeling of difficulty swallowing, irritability, sighing, moodiness, depression, sadness, wiry pulse, other symptoms and signs depend on the organ involved, which may be the liver or the lungs. Clinical note. Apart from Qi stagnation, the throat area can suffer only from heat, full or empty condition. Remember, Qi stagnation in the throat does not always derive from the liver. It also may derive from the lungs, heart, or stomach. Thank you for your attention.